Hey guys, so I mentioned last week that I was pretty bullish going into this week, and I remain that way. Also, I adjusted my zoom a little bit on this video to try to help with the area, and some people said they had a little bit trouble reading it. So let me know if this is better or worse in the comments, so I can try to make this the best I can for you guys. I can maybe zoom in a little bit more and just get rid of the top 10 and the SPY thing over here and just focus on the chart. Just kind of give me some feedback, what you guys think is best or not. Anyways, so the biggest thing that happened today is we had, if you zoom out here, a really nice move to the upside. And one thing that I'm looking at is I have this "we are here" right here back in October or early November, October. Is we had a really nice breakout after consolidation, much like right here. We had a breakout, we had a hard pullback, and then we pushed up, and then we came up, and we finally made our top and consolidated up here. One thing that I am watching is that I'm looking for consolidation, a breakout, a retest of support, and then a bigger breakout. I am bullish, and you can see we're in this nice blue bull channel right here. The other big things to look at was we have this huge breakout black triangle right here. We did break through that resistance today. And not only did we break through that resistance, we closed back over the 200 EMA right here at 398.1. We broke through the black resistance line. We broke through this green resistance line. Now this is the previous 2022 bear market trend line that was broken right here at December CPI. Many people think this line is still valid, but the way a resistance or support line works is that if it is breached, it is no longer valid. So some people will still use old support lines, or they will use support or resistance lines that have just a wick through it or just a candle through it. I do not personally do that, as I find them not to be very accurate. So for me, like I said, this line is gone now, or it has been gone. I left it up just because a lot of people talked about it and I wanted to show that it was broken again. So now all we have left is the actual bear market resistance line. We came within about 10 cents, 20 cents of hitting it today. Tomorrow, that level is 402.6. From there, if we do break out through 402.6, I am going to be looking for 405.2. That tomorrow perfectly puts us at our resistance line of this blue bull channel. And if we hit 405.2 and reject, that would be a good short opportunity, much like we saw right here for a little pullback. However, if we just kind of slow trend up here, then I'm going to be looking just for a push over 405.2. And eventually, I think we are going to get a test of this 417.74 bear market line. This separates the bear market from the bull market. Key levels to watch for tomorrow is this really nice support area at 395.9 to 396.7. As long as we hold this area and the daily AEMA, I remain bullish. One big thing to watch is we're kind of got a nice resistance line going that we're going to want to pop over. So we're going to want to see at least 401.6 become support tomorrow to continue this. And most importantly, we do not want, bulls do not want to lose the 200 EMA. That remains at 398.1. Taking a look at futures here, same thing. We have a really nice breakthrough of the resistance line for this breakout channel. And now we just have a nice bull channel going here. One difference on the futures versus SPY is that for our breakout channel and our resistance line, because of the way futures works, is way higher than it is on SPY. Oops. So for us, actually, the resistance line on futures is actually more going to be closer to 4105 for tomorrow. So we have a little bit to go still before we get to that 4100 mark, and that's also going to be a major resistance at 4095. Same thing though, we did close over the daily AEMA. We have nicely established support down here at this 39.85 area. We did close over 40.35 today, which is really bullish for the bulls. You can see this previous resistance line back here was actually more closely to 40.38, which is pretty much right where we closed at today. We closed at 40.36.5, but we're right there looking nice. Next major resistance to watch is this 40.55, which is the resistance from the December CPI right here. We did hard reject that today, so bulls are going to want to get over that tomorrow. And then from there, we got to look at 40.80, and then finally 40.95 is going to be the major level to watch. Support-wise, 39.85 is the biggest level to defend, which is going to be that daily AEMA. Taking a look at Tesla here. So Tesla was in this really nice red rising wedge, but now because of this nice bullish push that we actually have found ourselves to be in a bull channel instead. This is the first time since September that we have closed 10 days over the daily 8 EMA. And tomorrow, presumptively, this 8 EMA is going to cross over the 20 EMA for the first time since September. One major issue or thing I am watching here is how strong of a pop we have. You see we have these like 2 or 3 days of pop right here, and then we reject and come back down and retrace. There is potential tomorrow to come back down and retest support at 139.5 to really 136 before we go up again. Another thing we have to watch is that earnings is on Wednesday, so this is going to be a wild card. I probably won't be playing Tesla the rest of the week. I did play some swing calls that I closed at open, but overall, I'm bullish on Tesla. One other thing real quick, I don't like to talk about the weekly, intra-week, just because I know things change so much, but we have a beautiful V-bottom forming here, and we have officially broke over the weekly 8 EMA for the first time since October. The thing is, can we close over it? We have not closed over the weekly since the middle or beginning of September when the sell-off started right here. Looking at the VIX, VIX doesn't got a lot of direction. We're still in this overall falling wedge right here. We did break support right here, but we could not quite close back under 19.7. 19.7 is still a big major level for the VIX to get below. Lastly, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has just been looking super strong. We are looking really for a push all the way to 24.5K. We have not been up there since August, so that would be pretty bullish for the markets. The 8 is over the 200 EMA for the first time, and gosh, I don't even know how long. Let's see. We have not had the 8 over the 200 EMA since April. That's an incredible amount of time to be like that. And also we have the 50 crossing over the 100 EMA. That's all this is extremely bullish. Bitcoin looks very bullish right now, which tells me the market sentiment is still bullish. So, all right, hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to stay updated with my most recent videos. There is a lifetime Discord link there for you guys. If that one doesn't link, just go ahead and send me a message and I'll get you guys a new one. Some of the benefits of the Discord is there's a live trading, live intraday commentary. I also do an updated pre-market with support and resistance levels every day. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit.